Guys, in this video today, I'm going to show you how you can set up an easy service, an in-demand service that's needed, all for 100% free, and you should be able to do it from anywhere in the world, and you should be able to make up to about $100 per day in a short period of time, and probably even more than that over the longer period. Alrighty, so if this sounds interesting to you, then you want to sit back and get ready to watch this video. We're going to get in on it here pretty quick like. But first of all, for those people that are new to my videos or to my channel, my name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel that you see right here on your screen. And if this is your first time here, what I always tell everybody is reach down there below the video, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click that little notification bell there right beside it so that you get notified of when I upload new videos. Alrighty, well, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get jump started in on this. First of all, we want to come to this site right here. This site has high traffic, and this is where we will be setting up our service on. It's this site right here, guys. It's SEO Clerks. You see it right up here in the address bar. It's SEOclerk.com. You see that right there. What you want to do here, of course, is you want to click join right here first. You need to get signed up for this site. This is where you're going to set up your service. This site is similar type of sites to like People Per Hour or Fiverr and so on and so forth. But this site here is really good. If I click on my similar web here and get it to come out, you see we're on SEOclerk.com. If I scroll up here, guys, you can see that this site gets monthly visits of 575,000 people per month. Right now come to this site looking for services that are offered here, and that's what we're going to do today. We're going to set up a service today. So what you want to do is click on join and just fill out your username and email address, create a good strong password, confirm it, and click continue. And then once you get signed in, they will probably send you an email confirmation, so make sure you get that checked out, right? And then come back and get signed in, and then what you want to do is you want to click on sell a service right here, and it'll walk you through setting up a service similar to like what you see these people right here. But what we're going to be selling our service under, guys, is we click on content and writing right here. That should load up, and what we want to do is we want to click on article writing right here, and you can see that it comes over and there's people that are selling a service writing articles for people. And don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can get this done for free. You're not going to have to write any articles yourself. I'm going to show you how you can get this done for free for yourself to sell to people on this site. So what you want to do is you want to set up a service here. Click sell a service. Set up a service to sell article writing service here, like you see these people here. 1,000 words or 500 words high quality content. And this person is selling them for $3 for that. And you can see they've got over 3,000 reviews here, 99% like ratio here on this particular one. You can see that all kinds of people are selling this service for different prices down through here and so on and so forth. So what you want to do is set up your service, maybe after somebody that, and sell it for like, $9 like this person right here. And if we click on that, it brings it over. What you want to do is find one on here that you can model your service after when you set your service up for article writing as well. So you just want to model yours right here that you see, and just like this right here. You don't want to copy it exactly, guys. I always tell you that. You don't want to copy exactly. You just want to sort of model your service after what you see right here on some of these other article writing services here. Now, so let's say you've got your service set up. Let's say you're going to sell it for either $5 or $8 or $9 to start out. You don't want to price yourself too high. You don't want to price yourself too low. It's up to you how the price you want to charge for your service, but you want to probably stay within an average of what some of these other people are doing right here that you see. Just pick an average. You can see that everybody here is making money, guys. This is an in-demand service. People need articles written for all kinds of different reasons and purposes. All right. So let's say you've got your service all set up now. What you're going to do is when you get an order from a customer, you want to, let's say a customer wants you to write a 1,000 word article about, we'll just use, I mean, this can be in any niche, of course, guys, you know, whatever your customer gives you, whatever niche they're wanting an article written in, but let's just say weight loss, for example. So what you want to do is you want to come over here to this site right here. It's e-zine articles, and you can see that I've already went ahead and stepped ahead here. I typed in e-zine articles, I typed in weight loss right here. This is the front page. They got over 500,000 or almost 500,000 articles on this site that you can use. Now, you're going to have to rewrite these articles though, so that you don't get caught for any kind of copyright or plagiarism or anything like that. But stick around. I'm going to show you a great site that I found to do that with here soon. So, for example, you can click on any of these categories right here, and so on and so forth. So let's just pick, they've got all kinds of, let's go health and fitness. And when we click on that, you can see that it brings up here, guys, all of these other subcategories that you can see here. I mean, it just goes all kinds of subcategories, guys, about anything to do with health and fitness. So, but like I said, for example, let's choose the weight loss. You see right here where my mouse is. We're going to click on weight loss right there. And that brings up all kinds of weight loss articles in the health and fitness category, right? What we want to do is you can pick any of these articles. Guys, you should never, ever run out of articles to use for your customers off of SEO Clerk, right? So let's just say, for example, let's pick one here. Top 3 reasons why carbs are not bad. Let's just use that for example. So, but what you want to do, you can see this whole article right here. It's probably maybe about a 1,500 word article there. Is you want to copy this and we're going to rewrite it. So let's just say, for example, if I copy just these couple of paragraphs to start with right now. All right. So if I highlight that and copy it. Now, normally, guys, I've showed you this site before in videos past. It's called QuillBot, and it does an okay job of rewriting articles, or spinning the article to make it a little bit more authentic to you. But I don't recommend that one because I've found one that's better than that, and it is this one right here. You can see it right up here. It's called QuillBot right here, guys. Look up here in the address bar. It's QuillBot.com. It's QuillBot.com. This site here will paraphrase everything for you. So for example, let's just click here and you can choose standard, fluency, and all kinds of things. We'll just paste what we copied right in there. We don't have to keep that article source there because we're going to make it our own. Right here is what's going to happen. If you look right down here, guys, you can see right here it says sign up for 700 characters. If you don't sign up on this site and you just want to use the tool, you get up to 400 characters. So I recommend signing up for free. They do have a premium version here, and you can click right here. You can either click right here where it says sign up, where you see my mouse is, or you can come over here and click create an account right here and sign up. And you can sign up with your Google, Facebook, email, a regular local account, and they will probably send you an email confirmation, so check that out. So whichever, and then get signed in, and then what you want to do is come back, and then you'll be allowed up to 700 characters for free. They do have a premium version, but you don't need that, guys. It might take you, for the 700 characters, it may take you, 10 to 15 minutes to get through the whole article and get it all rewritten here. But watch how easy this is, guys. So we got our information, our text pasted in up here up to, well, actually we're a little bit over. We're at 410 characters, and we need to back some of this off. So there we go. Let's see how it worked like that. Didn't have to back too much off with it and let it go. It's 362 characters. So then all we do is click on paraphrase here. This will say paraphrase here, but we want to click on rephrase now, but it'll paraphrase it, and watch what it does over here, guys. You see over here, if you look at the title here, it's 3 steps to lose weight. This is what we copied off of e-zine, and then it changed it over here, 3 steps to permanent weight loss. I like that. This is really good. There are no magic drugs or secret diets that may help you achieve your weight loss objectives. And over here, when it comes to losing weight, there are no magic pills or secret diets that can help you reach your weight loss goals. So it just changes the wording really good, guys. I like this site better then SpinBot. And then all you'll want to do, I mean, you want to check, you might have to check for your grammar, your punctuation, and things like that. Then what you want to do is you just want to copy the rephrased information and save it to a notepad, and then come back to the article and get the next bit of information, right? And do the same thing with it. Come back to here and we'll clear this out. We'll clear this out here and then paste that in there, and it looks like we're way over again here. And so we'll just back this off. Actually, you can see where it's grayed out a little bit right there. That's where we need to take out to get back to the 400 characters even, as you see right here. And then all you do is just click on paraphrase, guys, again, and then watch it do its magic here. You see, that's really good. That is really good. Consider your entire life. You might want to back out so many of these yeses. Some of this you may have to change a little bit, but it really does a good job here rewriting these articles. I like this, guys. It's really good. And then you just want to copy and paste that into the notepad until you get that whole article copied. It may take you 10-15 minutes to do it with this site, but then get that and then save it to a file, and then you simply bring it back over to your customer, guys, and you give it back to your customer and you get paid. It's just that easy. And guys, now this site already has the built-in traffic like I showed you. It's what, 575,000 people a month come here, so it has built-in traffic, but you can offer your service on like Facebook groups, people looking for article writing. You can offer it on Pinterest. You can offer it on any of the social media sites for free and drive people and customers over to your service here on SEO Clerks. And guys, that is an easy way to set up a good service of article writing and use the QuillBot tool and use eZine articles to get your articles, and use the QuillBot to make it your own by re-paraphrasing it and make it your own, and then you can just make money like that, giving your articles back to your customers off of SEO Clerks, and make probably about $100 a day over a short period of time, I would think, and probably even more than that over a longer period of time. Alright guys, if you like this video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. And also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down there below in the comments section, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. Also, if you want to see my #1 affiliate marketing platform and watch a free video presentation that I have for you there, click down there where it says mentorwithkev.com down there in the top of my description, and come over and watch my free affiliate marketing high ticket sales video presentation that will show you how you can get involved and start making high ticket sales yourself in any affiliate marketing business that you want. Alrighty guys, well guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again. Don't forget to watch these videos that you see up here. There's plenty of other videos that help you make money online, guys. Alright, I'll see you again here in a few days or so on the next exciting money making video. You guys have a great and awesome day. Bye bye now.